How do you know if your baby is positioned safely in a carrier? My name is Angela. I'm a mom of 2 and a certified baby-wearing educator. It's one of the most common questions that we get, and it's really easy once you know what to look for. The first thing is the M position. You want to make sure that their knees are slightly higher than their bottom, their thighs are supported and spread around your body. You want to keep their hips in a healthy M position right here. And this is true for any carrier, any type, any age. Next is airway and chins. Baby's face should always be visible. Their chin should never be touching their chest. This could restrict their airways. And you should always be able to see their nose and their mouth. Now for tightness. Carrier should be snug. Baby should be high enough on your chest that you can kiss the top of their head. And make sure there's no slumping or curling inward. Next is supported back. You want to make sure baby's back is always supported in a natural curve. They should not be able to lean away from you with their body. And check that the fabric is fully spread across their back and not clenched. This is the T.I.C.K.S checklist. First, you want to make sure your carrier is tight, in view at all times, close enough to kiss the top of their head, keeping their chin off their chest, and supported back. You want to do this every single time you wear your carrier, especially in the earlier months. When it's right, you'll feel it. When baby is positioned correctly, you get the full benefit of that closeness. Their heartbeat is against yours and their weight is settled into your chest. Newborns especially, check in on them often because they can't reposition themselves if something is off. And when in doubt, just take baby out and start again.